Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Sir Nabil. I hope you all are well. So today we will discuss about how to detox your mind. There are 6 ways in my opinion to detox your mind. So firstly, start unfollowing. Unfollow people who do not make you feel empowered, informed or inspired. Secondly, start writing. Sometimes you just need to go out what's on your mind. Try setting a timer for 30 minutes and doing a brain dump of all the things you want to complain about or challenges you are struggling with. So let it all go and detox your mind from those nagging worries. Thirdly, ask yourself, are there any dead relationships in your life that I may holding on to? What aspect of my life can I improve by removing things that isn't working anymore? Now, practice meditation. Very important. During meditation, you focus your attention and eliminate thoughts crowding your mind and causing stress. This process may result in enhancing emotional, intellectual, physical, and spiritual well being. Acceptance. Very important. Acceptance is peace. No amount of anxiety will change your future. No amount of regret will change your past. Peace is found in acceptance. Accept imperfection, accept uncertainty, accept the uncontrollable. You don't have to understand, tolerate, or even forget something. But if you want peace, you must accept it. You can make mistake, please accept it. Don't worry about your future. So, these are the 6 ways to detox your mind. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share your love through comment section. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.